Ayurvedic tips to achieve a healthy relationship in relation to the food that you consume. Again, Ayurveda is a 5,000-year-old ancient medical system that originated in India, and it is also called the science of life and the mother of all healing. Ayurveda believes that you are not only what you eat, but you act like what you eat too. Meaning to say, ang mga kinakain pala natin ay malaki ang impact sa ating mood and behavior. So basically, when you eat food that create bliss and joy, your relationships will be happier too. In Ayurveda, may tinatawag na happy food. Ilan sa mga food na ito ay mga whole food, organic, at fresh. Katulad mo. It believes na mas fresh ang pagkain, the more it creates happiness. Some of these include fresh vegetables and fruits that are in season. Bukod dito, pinapaniwalaan din na ang pagluto ng pagkain araw-araw with the special ingredients na love and care ay nagdadala ng kasiyahan sa mga taong pinagluluto mo or pinaglulutuan ka. Pero bakit iniwan ka pa rin? Sabi nga nila, as cliche as it may sound, the way to a man's heart is through his stomach. However, Ayurveda also suggests trying to cook together as a wonderful way to spend time